Abu Ishaq states that a man came to Hazrat Bara and said, O Abu Umara, did you take to your heels on the day of the battle of Hunain? He replied, I testify that the Prophet ﷺ did not turn his back, but some impetuous and unarmed young men advanced towards Hawazin. They were veteran archers. They shot at them a volley of arrows, so they left their place and came to Allah's Apostle ﷺ. Hazrat Abu Sufyan bin Haris was leading his mule. He ﷺ alighted from the mule, made invocation, sought Allah's help, while he ﷺ was saying, I am a prophet, no lie, I am the son of Abdul Muttalib. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, send down your help. Hazrat Bara radiyallahu anhu said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, when the war grew extremely ferocious, we got protection from him, and the bravest of us was he who is stuck by Allah's Apostle ﷺ during the war. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4592.